Hello everyone. Welcome to Evolvin Tech. Hope you all are doing good. Here we are back with another video on Git. In this video we are going to see what is Git and how to make online Git repository. And how to install it on your computer in simple steps. Before moving forward, I would like to request you all to like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let us begin. Git is used by many developers for version control of their projects. If you are working on a programming project, it is obvious that you will have different updates to fix bugs in it. That means you have different versions of your code. For example, for some reason you want to access previous version of your project. Here version control comes in the picture. This is done by using Git. Now let's move on and install Git on your system. Go to Google and type SCM and click on download. I will provide this link in description as well. After downloading this file, run it as administrator and install it. After installing, open the command prompt and check the version of Git. This will confirm the installation of Git. Now configure your username by the command git config global user.name and type your username. To configure your email to be used by Git, type the following at the prompt, git config global user.email and type your email address for which you have Bitbucket or GitHub account. You can check your default Git global configuration. You can type the following at the prompt, git config ---- list. This will render your configuration details. Now we have successfully configured Git. Let us have a look on basic Git commands. For this, we have to create a demo folder and initialize it as Git repository. After creating this folder, create a basic HTML file in it with some basic code. Now open command prompt, go to demo folder and type command git init. This will initialize the folder as Git repository. Now we will perform some basic Git commands in this repository. You can check the status of repository by git status command. This command tells whether your repository is updated or not. Now we use git add command to push all the data to staging area. After this we will commit the data using git commit -m commit name. I will name this commit as first commit. Now you have successfully committed our files. Now if I again make changes to the file in the repository, and check Git status, it will show modified again. You can add them again by git add. And commit by git commit -m second commit. To check the log of the commits to your Git repository, type git log --1 line. This will give all the details of commits and their number. For example, if you want to go back to file in initial commit, just copy the number of first commit. And now type git checkout first commit number index.html. If you open your index.html file now, it will show the previous version now. This is how we go back to previous versions. Now if you want the current file again, just type git reset head index.html. Then type following command, git checkout --- index.html. As you can see, we have updated the current version of our file. Hence we have covered some basic Git commands in this video. That's it for this video. See you next time.